Hello dear students, myself is Sharad Pandey. Today I am here to discuss enhanced transdermal delivery system for delivery of therapeutic agents using different vesicular approaches. Before coming to the formulation aspect, just we should know what is the transdermal or percutaneous absorption. The transdermal permeation or percutaneous absorption can be defined as the passage of substance such as drug from the outside of skin through its various layers into the bloodstream. The absorption of substances from outside the skin to the position beneath the skin, including entrance into the bloodstream, may be regarded as the transdermal or percutaneous absorption. Now we should know what is how the penetration of drug occurs through the skin. In this condition, there are several ways by which the drug penetration may occur through the skin. The major routes are delivery. These are through the walls of hair follicles, through the sweat glands or the sebaceous glands, or between the cells of the horny layers. Now just coming to the various aspects of delivery and the various aspects of transdermal penetration of a drug system. Just we should know the structure of a skin. Now just here on your screen this is showing the structure of a skin, where just you can see the major and the upper layer, that is stratum corneum, which is most important layer during the penetration of any drug through the skin. Basically, stratum corneum is a very hydrophobic layer, so it most of the time limits to the permeation of any drug. Just here you can see various ways by which the penetration also occurs, that is through hair follicles, through sebaceous glands, and via the stratum corneum. Now, when we discuss the percutaneous absorption, the percutaneous absorption of a drug generally results from the direct penetration of the drug through the stratum corneum. Permeation of the laminate barriers in stratum corneum can occur by the diffusion via the various routes. The first one is the transcellular penetration, that is called across the cells, means the drug is moving through the cell, that is transcellular penetration. The second one is the intracellular penetration, that is between the cells, means if we have any gaps between the two cells or between the two cell junctions, then such type of penetration may occur. The third one is transappendageal penetration, that is via hair follicle or the sweat glands or the sebum glands or the pilosebaceous apparatus. So there are several ways by which the penetration of any drug occurs through the skin. Most of the time when we discuss about the absorption of a drug, then there are several factors which may affect to the percutaneous absorption. That is the first one, nature of the drug itself. Most of the time when we develop a formulation of anything for the transdermal delivery system, the drug should not be very hydrophilic or very hydrophobic in nature. The molecular weight of the drug which is targeted should not be more than 500 daltons. Its partition coefficient should be optimum, so that it could partition between the hydrophobic layers of the skin. The second thing is that is the nature of the vehicle which is taken for the delivery of the drug to the skin. It may be alcohol, it may be DMS, which also act as a penetration enhancers. Sometimes other penetration enhancers also added into the system to increase the penetration of the drug. But this type of penetrants may lead to the allergy to the skin, or they may lead to the sensitivity, some sort of sensitivity issues. The third one is the skin of the nature of the skin. When we discuss the nature of the skin, if it is very oily or it is very dry, then in that condition, uh, penetration also get affected by the nature of this thing. So when we develop a formulation, we should consider also the type of skin, and accordingly just we have to select the vehicle and penetrance. The last one is the presence of moisture. Moisture plays a very important role during the adherence of material through the skin, which is used for the adhering the transdermal patches to the skin. At the same time, moisture incorporation may lead to degradation of the drug. At the same time, it may lead to the development of some sort of bacteria, microorganisms, which may degrade to the formulation. Last one. So just avoiding these things, we can use some newer frames, some newer aspects or approaches for announcing transdermal delivery system. Uh, these are some systems which can be easily used, that is microemulsion system, or the various vesicular system like neosomes or the liposomes. The rationale for using vesicles intradermal and transdermal delivery lies in the fact that they act as a drug carrier to deliver entrapped drug molecules into or across the skin, and they act as a penetration enhancers owing the penetration of the individual lipids. So by using such type of vesicular approaches, just we can enhance the stability of drug, just we can enhance the penetration of the drug, just we can avoid the sensitivity issues which led because of various permeation enhancers. So today just we have discussed general approaches which can be used, are the basics of transdermal delivery system. In the next class, just we will go through the various approaches in detail, that is the preparation of neosome or liposome and how can they use in the formulation of transdermal drug delivery system. So here's, thank you for your patience listening. Thanks again.